Folding bikes are usually about convenience, not performance. But this is the Dahon k9x. It's lightweight, has 9 gears, and even comes with disc brake. So the question is, can this exactly replace your daily bike? Obviously yes, because I ride the bike. Let's fold the bike. First, and like second, and it's third. Okay, perfect. And this one fourth. Here is the bike. Time to open the bike, so let's go guys, let's go. One, and like first lock, then it goes like this, and now it's time for second lock. Let's go. Second lock, and little bit like it's okay like this. And third one, and not last but the least, and my like exact was 16, so I'm going with 16. Sure. Okay, if you like the review, then subscribe our channel, and if you need something about the bike, then comment below. Thank you for watching.